Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Bitcoin miner S21. First, connect the power supply unit to your S21 miner, ensuring all cables are firmly in place. Next, connect an Ethernet cable from your internet router directly to the miner. Finally, position your miner in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating and ensure efficient operation. This initial physical setup is crucial for a smooth start to your mining journey. Now, let's get your miner connected to your network. Use a network scanning tool to find your S21 miner's IP address. Once you have it, open your web browser and enter the IP address to access the miner's interface. You will then log in using the default credentials, which are typically root for both the username and password. This step allows you to configure your miner settings. With network access established, it is time to configure your mining pool and wallet. Navigate to the Miner Configuration or Pool Settings section. Here, you will enter the URL and port number for your preferred mining pool. Crucially, input your Bitcoin wallet address to ensure you receive your mining rewards. Finally, set a worker name and password for easy identification within the pool. After setup, continuous monitoring is key to maximizing your mining efficiency. Regularly check your S21 miner's hash rate and operating temperature through its web interface. If temperatures rise, consider adjusting fan speeds or improving ventilation. Also, periodically look for and install the latest firmware updates to enhance performance and stability. Consistent monitoring ensures your miner operates at its peak, earning you more Bitcoin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.